Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. My name is Raja Mukherjee, and welcome to my channel, The Value Creation Playbook. Today, we are diving first into a very hot topic, digital and AI powered transformation. And let's be honest, it's easy to slap AI on a deck and call it innovation. But today, we'll separate the signal from the silicon. How many digital strategy decks are actually just glorified app wish lists? Ask yourself. And I would presume majority of would say there are tons of them out there. Tech prioritization starts with outcomes, not logos, not shiny platforms, definitely. It's always about the outcomes. In a pharma client that I managed earlier, the digital priority wasn't blockchain. It was real-time batch tracking, cutting recalls by 50%. In a manufacturing client who had given us a project, a firm focused on MES integration over AI labs. Throughput rose 22%. Another fintech client, smart routing for transactions, not NFTs, reduced failure rates by 40. Digital is not about being cool, it's all about being useful. Let's demystify this. AI in portfolio ops isn't about sentiment robots. It's about pricing optimization. It's about churn prediction. And lastly, it's all about gathering insights from the procurement that you do day in, day out. In pharma, dynamic pricing helped one firm grow margins by 5% during tender negotiations. In fintech, churn prediction helped reduce customer loss by 18, and that's a good number. In manufacturing, AI-based demand forecasting improved raw material alignment, cutting waste by 12. If AI can save you money or grow top line, use it, definitely, day in, day out. On the other hand, if it needs 18 months of pilot purgatory, just don't. It's not worth your time and effort. Proof of concept or POCs is where ideas are born, and often they have an untimely death. Unless, of course, you have a ruthless governance mechanism. Set KPIs, make ROI real, and if required, set a kill switch. One fintech player ran 12 pilots, only two scaled, but those two guys made 8 million in savings. In pharma, a global player sunset three projects early and reinvested in one analytics project. A $300 million impact. That's breathtaking. Rollouts are not about size, it's about the speed and the scale. And that's one thing that all of us need to remember day in, day out. Digitals fail not due to tech, but us, the human beings. One fintech CEO said, our AI is fine, our people panicked. So what do? Essentially three things which I tell my clients: train, communicate, and lastly, co-create. And all of them in chronological orders. And only then you automate, not before. A pharma company that involved frontline staff in AI adoption saw 3x higher usage rates. In manufacturing, a gamified dashboard led to a 25% increase in engagement. If they don't trust it, they won't use it. Period. Just wanted to share some examples which are definitely thinking about, and I often say worth stealing. Pharma, image recognition in QA reduced inspection time. The QA team was trained in Python Basic. That definitely helped. Fintech, chatbots handled 80% of the support queries with 20% high CSAT. And of course, data gym sessions helped. Manufacturing, digital quality logs reduced NCRs, non-conformance report by 30%. Not future of work, it's now. It's next quarter, all because it's ROI. Combining digital with operational excellence and magic happens. AI optimizes, ops executes. Think of it like Batman and Alfred. AI is the gadget, ops is the muscle. In fintech, for example, and there could be any sector that you want to take, but let's stick to this example of fintech. In this particular client of mine, pairing AI with lean ops reduced loan processing time from 48 hours to 6 hours. That's a significant productivity improvement. In pharma, AI-driven scheduling cut batch idle time by 40%. Always remember, compounding starts with synergy. And I always say to my clients and the CXOs that I work with, don't fall for vanity dashboards. Track the ones that you want. So what will you track? Cost to serve, which can get translated into faulty batch specs. ROI on tech capex, which definitely is not going to help if you have rigid workflows. The payback period, the uplift per FT or function. And I still remember fondly that one of my portfolio CEOs said, we have 48 metrics, Raja, and only 4 make us money. So, but that's a different topic. We'll cover leading and lagging indicators in another session. But essentially, always know the KPIs that make sense for you. So here's the deal. AI isn't magic, it's math with muscle. Don't chase digital just for the sake of doing it. Harness the power that it promises to enable in your organization. Start small. Take one single project. No need of having 20 prioritized projects, but scale fast and measure obsessively. Thanks for tuning in. Like, share, and subscribe to the Value Creation Playbook. Until next time, digitize with purpose. Don't panic. Thanks for being a part of this journey, and we'll speak soon. Bye for now.